What's happening, guys? So today on a beautiful Sunday here in a fucking good, God bless a fucking America, I figured what the heck, I'm gonna go shop and put some 2 American flag poles onto my fucking truck. And pretty much the kit that I bought for this is a PVC pipe, 6-foot pole, and as you can tell, it goes pretty much smoothly onto it. And look at that. And the flags that I'm running with it is 2.5 by 4. It's got superior quality and it's not that cheap material of a flag. And I want to make sure I can also just attach it. That's what the PVC pipe's pretty much for, as a foundation. So let's get to it. So we're gonna measure pretty much the PVC pipe. This is about 21 inches from the base of the floor to the edge over here. I'm gonna cut up to there. It's 21 inches. I'm gonna measure for the PVC cutaway and do it on both sides. And so here we go. Beautiful. Alright. Got 2 of these bad boys. Cool. Sheet metal screws. Alright, now you need pretty much a little bearing so your flag doesn't get all knotted up. Now you need pretty much the bearing so you can have a flag that's free flowing and you don't get any untangledness. There you go. Boom. Alright, your bearings go in there. A little hook. Bearing goes in there. Hook. Beautiful. Exactly what I wanted. Let's see. There you go. American flag on a Chevy Silverado. America. Check that out. Woo. So that's pretty much the final outcome with the install with the 2017 Chevy Silverado with 2 American flag poles each side. Let me know what you guys think. Drop in the comments down below. Tell me exactly what you think of the truck. I think it looks pretty sick. I think I'm happy with the final product. Everything is pretty much all done with the hardwares through Menards. Thank you so much, Menards. But yeah, this is a pretty cool little setup of the truck. And you know what? July 4th is coming around the corner, right around the corner. And I think it's gonna be a great, addition, especially with festivities and fireworks to come. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Quick little install, DIY. Right now we're living in a crazy time, really we are, but you know what, this is a time to represent right here. Mwah. There you go. Let me know what you guys think. Be safe out there. Practice still your 6 feet of social distancing. Buy yourself an American flag if you got a truck. Put it in the truck. Other than that, subscribe, share, comment, and until the next video, be safe. Peace.